Come on up and see this treasure at 2,097 feet. And when you get here, to get on board with the enthusiasm of the Saluda Historic Depot.
Interstates and seaboard coal cars hooked to number 62. I stoked them up, WB slipped the brake, and we rolled out into the blue. It's an easy ride through Mountain Home, down to Hendersonville. We hit Tuxedo at 12 o'clock, and I can see the Green River still. Reconsider, Captain Pearson, there's gotta be another way. You take your life in your hands as a railroad man starting down Saluda Grade. You take your life in your hands as a railroad man starting down Saluda Grade. August 14th, 1903, the Asheville Citizen Times. 3 heroes die at Slaughter Pen Cut on the Asheville-Spartanburg line.
The energies of many volunteers have combined to preserve the walls around them as a non-profit corporation, the Saluda Historic Depot. All see their mission is to champion and to save the historic treasure.
Saluda Grade, Saluda Grade.